what I'm doing here is squeezing each stem. And where you squeeze it at is where it becomes more pliable. And what we're trying to do is create a level situation which is going to allow all of those inner nodes to become branches themselves. Spin around, rinse, repeat. Real easy. Real easy. There it is. Now this is going to give us more tops and more consistency with the bud due to the light penetration. We're going to have a nice even canopy, or as close to even as possible. Water on the top, and I'm going to pour the rest of the water in the bottom and let it just wick up. I'm going to cover it up with this humidity dome. And I'll keep y'all posted on how these turn out. Real easy.